Right lads, I'm just doing a little pinpointing exercise, basically for probably, you know, I don't like calling this, but novices. I'm a novice myself, really. I've only been doing it 6 months, so I'll be using 3 machines. Got the E-track, got the Euro-Ace, and got the Ace 250. It's a bit windy, lads, so sorry about that. They've all got double D coils, but they're all different, as you can see. Standard coil for the E-track, standard for the Euro-Ace, and the Nel Tornado is a 12B13 coil on the 250. Now I struggled a bit with pinpointing, and I've tried the wiggle method and all that. Sometimes it works, sometimes I end up digging a crater. So what I've done here is, right below that blue marker, about 5 inch down, is it's a toasted coin. It looks like a George 3, something like that, but it's toasted. So I buried it a couple of days ago, just having a mess about. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the pinpointer on each of these machines, and I've got 3 bits of card here, as long as they don't blow away. Right, got like an orange, a red and a white for the different machines, and we'll just see how they go with the pinpointing, because I know what I say, a lot of people struggle. I struggled myself, so we'll have a go at that. Right, I'll just set these up and I'll catch you in a minute. Right lads, the first one I'm using is the E-track. You know, so it's given a 122, which is strange for a coin, but now 1947, so let's just try that again. It's dropped to 1041 now, but so it's staying at 1041. So anyway, it's about pinpointing this, so we won't bother with that. As I say, this is only an experiment, but I think it's worthwhile. I say if you're a novice and you're struggling a bit. So we put the pinpointing on. Right, it drops off there. That's your sweet spot there. Right, you can hear the different tones. Now if you watch the bar, and it disappears as we pull back. And it's gone. Right, and there's where the front of the coil is, just where it should be really. Right, let's say, have a look at that. Still making a noise, but there's no bars showing. So I think that'll do for that. Just move that out the way. And what we'll do, I think you'll agree that was near enough spot on. So it doesn't matter which one, but we'll put it somewhere around there. Put the orange marker down. Right, just turn this off. Right, we'll do the Euro-Ace next. In fact, we won't do the Euro-Ace next. I forgot the batteries died in that one, so I'll swap that in a minute. We'll use the Ace 250. Now this has got the Nel Tornado 12B13 inch coil on, so we'll do exactly the same. Let's power it on. Bit awkward swinging this left-handed, but A good strong signal. Come away from there, put the pinpoint on. Right, we're on full bars there. Draw it back slowly. They've disappeared. Now on this, you can't see the disc because it's basically right under the tornado sign on the coil. You can just see the edge of the disc there. So what we'll do, move this out of the way, and we'll put that one probably side there, somewhere around there. Right, I'll just change these batteries over and put them in the 250, sorry, the Euro Ace, and then we'll do the same with the Euro Ace. Catch you in a bit. Right lads, back with the Euro Ace now, and we'll just do the same procedure again. Good strong signal. And put it on pinpoint. There you go. The bar's right the way over. It's dropping off a bit. Right, it's right the way over now. So we come back. Right, now there. It's just off slightly. Don't know if you can see that. Let's just try it again. Sorry about this wind, lads. Right. There's, right, we're on the full one. Full bars, draw back. Right, now with this, you can see it's back a couple of inches. So if we put it to the point of the coil, lads, you're looking somewhere about there. Right, so as you can see, there's a bit of a difference with the Euro Ace, but not that much difference. If you're cutting like a 6-inch plug, something like that, then you'll get the target. But whichever machine you've got, if you've got one of these machines, just try it yourself. Bury something, put a marker on top, right above it. Do this yourself, and then find out where it drops, where that visual guide drops off, and then you're alright. Then you're alright to go. I'll just do it. I know some of the lads will be saying, but how about the wiggle method? I mean, it's fine, but sometimes, I don't know, find it a bit awkward, but just for them we'll do it. Right, we've got the, now that stopped there. So it's slightly different to the pinpointing. The front of the coil was there, I think, on the when we pinpointed with it. Let's just check it again. Let's have a look at this. That's the full bars. Yeah, slightly off again. But at least you're getting in the general area. When I first started, especially with that big coil, the one there, I was digging holes the size of dustbin lids and everything. So anyway, it's just a bit of info for, as I say, people just starting up. Get out in the garden, plant a coin or something, and just get used to your pinpointing. If you've got a bit of rubbish in your garden, you might start hitting more than one signal. This is pretty clean, this area, but obviously out in the fields or wherever, you're bound to have a bit of rubbish nearby or something, so just try and find the cleanest target before you start pinpointing. Anyway, I'm sorry for going on, lads, but I hope it's helped the newbies, help them out a bit. And I'd love any comments from the lads who've been doing it a few years, because every comment that you put on will obviously help the novices and all that, as long as they're not negative, you know, comments and all that, because we're all here to help each other, I suppose. Okay, lads, I'll catch you soon. Take care, everyone. Ta-ra for now.